Internet, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about the LG G7 ThinQ. I know, the name is a little wonky, but I actually like the phone. They put all of their features that they've had and all their V series into this one guy. So we spent a week with the pre-production model and about 2 weeks with the final model. So we're going to tell you all about it and why I dig it. The G7 ThinQ is kind of an amalgamation of the G6 and the V30. So you got IP68 dust and water resistant body covered in Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides. It's slightly thicker and less slippery than the V30. And having a dedicated Google Assistant button is pretty good. I know a lot of people probably prefer to remap it. This year LG opted for an LCD panel instead of OLED, and I think they made a better choice for it. They added a new super bright LCD mode that gives you a boost of up to 1,000 nits with the touch of a button for a maximum of 3 minutes. Definitely brighter than any smartphone in the market. It's really good, but in direct sunlight, nothing's going to compete against that. Along with that, you got great color reproduction, great viewing angles, and always on display option, which is always good. So it looks like 2018 is going to be a year of the notch. So this has one. LG is calling it the second screen. Not really. It doesn't really offer any functionality other than showing off, the normal stuff that's on top of your display, signal strength, time, battery life, etc., etc. You can quote unquote hide the notch, which is really just kind of making a black bar or a color gradient in the background. So keeping up with the 2018 standard performance, you have Snapdragon 845 CPU coupled with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes. And this handles as well as you think it would. Zero crashes or slowdowns, and everything you expect from a flagship processor. So LG went from the 3300 mAh battery on G6 now down to a 3000 mAh battery. It holds you down about as well as you would on the S9. So got me about 12 hours. Light to medium usage, and heavy usage got me a little over 8 hours, I think. But you do have quick charge 3.0 as well as wireless charging. Not fast wireless charging, but wireless charging. Now LG retained the dual shooters. Both are 16 megapixel sensors, except you have a f1.9 super wide and f1.6 standard lens, and the selfie camera's been bumped up to 8 megapixels, f1.9 wide angle. Now we dived a lot into this in camera video. If you want more into the cameras, hit the card above. The audio side, we did a video about all the new audio improvements they put on in. So you got the hi-fi DAC, you got boombox speaker. Hit the card, you get more info on that. So on the software side, there's a lot to talk about. You got Android 8.0 Oreo underneath LG's standard skin. They retain a smart bulletin page. You now have a system-wide search that reminds me of iPhone's mess they call a notification shade. Still not my favorite Android skin or UX. I'm waiting for them to do something with it, but it doesn't seem like they're going to. So despite its shortcomings with the notch and the AI cam just being okay, there's just something about the G7 that I just love carrying around. So perhaps it's versatility, great audio. The photos are pretty good. The battery life is okay. Some people trashed it. I mean, it's the same as the S9. I dig it. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.